Hey everybody, this is the Tumbling Blocks Demo. This is your second video to see how to put it together. It's good to have your sheet of all of your different designs and patterns so that you can kind of see how it's supposed to be set up. So I kind of sketched my own there, but that's always good to have in front of you so you know what you're doing. If you follow the directions on the first video, you saw that you were supposed to mark a B and a T for bottom and top. So what I would do is go ahead and line those up by flipping those around and finding all of your bottom and top, okay? Alright, so after you set the bottom and tops where they're supposed to be, then you want to get your second concentric shape and you're going to start gluing them down. You want to make sure you're gluing them point down to the bottom, okay, but leaving some space on the bottom there so that you can still see your first color. Alright, I want you to go ahead and glue those all down. Alright, once you get that second color in, then you're going to come in with the third color, and you're going to want to pick a side. You don't want it to be this side against that side, so pick one side for them to be on the same, so that they're all the same and concentric. Alright, after you get all those done, you're going to want to get a black piece of construction paper, square, and I would flip it around, just test out what side is not as good. You're going to get a white colored pencil. You're going to write your name on the not so good side, and then your class room teacher, and I'm going to put Linville on this one. Okay, I'm going to flip it over. And you want to now line them up before you glue them down. Really, could be any pattern you really want to, but you want them to be side by side because that's the way they fit on here best. It's the way I have designed them and cut them to be fitted. If they're a little bit over the edge, it's really not bad. I can always trim it, or we can just leave it. It's not a big deal. So you want to just line it up. I think it's going to work best to have 3, 2, and 3. I think that's the way it is on your practice paper. Alright, and then all you need to do after you line it up is just glue it down. Alright, once you're done with that, you want to flip it over. You're going to get a tool called a Baron. This is a good even pressing tool that you use in printmaking, but we're going to use it to smooth and press out our glue and flatten our pieces. Now, if you're struggling with the stick glue, okay, then switch to a liquid glue for your final. Stick glue probably isn't going to work for your first couple layers, but gluing these down sometimes can be really hard, and you really just need to use liquid glue because it's stronger. Alright, there you have it. If you have any T's or B's left over, just erase them with a good eraser. And there you go, tumbling blocks.